Inland Park. It's a strip like a block in length.
Yeah, in length.
And I guess people used to walk here just to relax. There was an event space back there. Not sure if it's still currently in use. It's a nice little place. Kind of abandoned, haunted looking. Probably good for a ghost hunt. Bunga Falls. We're literally like in the middle of the jungle if you look at it. Right out that way?
Hi.
Hey. Brought a couple friends along.
Welcome to Bunga Falls.
So I remember coming here 2005 and it was a different entrance before. So now that we're back, it's a different entrance. So it's completely different to me now than it was, what, 10 years ago? Oh, no, more than 10 years ago. Almost 20 years ago. Here we go. Picnic areas and down here. The weather's pretty nice right now. Since it stopped raining for a bit. So you can see some picnic areas here. Believe it or not, you can actually jump off the top of the falls. I've seen it before. Fortunately, no one's up there right now, so jump up there and it goes down right over here It's pretty deep if you're able to jump down the falls. Heading back up. It's a nice little visit to the falls. Did my swimming yesterday at the Via Escudera. You can watch that video here if you want to see that. But it's beautiful falls. Some TV shows here have been filmed, as well as, you know, other events. Careful, there's like...
Oh, yeah.
But I love it. Whew. There you go. Now to hike all the way back up. You know how it goes in this hiking world. Easy to come down from the hill.
Very difficult to do coming up.
Exactly. Okay.
Oh, be careful.
Watch your step. These steps, the last 3 steps. Hiking in humidity is a whole different thing. I will say that. And definitely not used to it. Yeah, be wary, or not be wary, be careful of the insects and some of the, I don't know if there's wild animals, probably. Definitely the insects. There are ants that bite, so be careful. Watch your step. We made it!
We have our exercise today.
Thanks for being my walking partner at the wing.
You're welcome. I am more than happy.
Back from Bunga Falls and gonna relax. It's great to see the falls again. It's pretty cool. It's exactly how I remembered it. It's a different way down this time around. So excited, happy, and just really glad to be down here. And I'll see where our next adventure takes us. So for now, I will say goodbye. I'll see you all in the next one. And until then, who knows? I'll see you all then. Take care.